Hello once again to everyone. So as you can see po sa ating title, we will be doing another fragrance review. Ayan. At ngayon po, another local house, no? Actually fairly new to the game. And this is called Old Gods Grooming Co. And we have received Libulan from them, no? Yun po yung pangalan ng perfume. We will be talking about the details and everything else. So kamusta po ba ang Libulan? Kamusta po ba ang house overall? Stay tuned po. Ayun, so again guys, no, Old Gods Grooming Co, napaka-interesting ng name at katulad po ng sabi ko po kanina, no, very new, fairly new to the scene. Nakita ko po yung official launch nila January lang this year. Grabe, no, magto 2 months pa lang po sila sa game, pero they've been getting a lot of attention, no, and very interesting house. And shout out to Sir Rex Bona, thank you so much po for the bottle of Libulan. Sa kanya ko po nakuha. Ilalagay po natin lahat ng links nila below para maka-order po kayo, no. Ayun, Old Gods Grooming Co, nung nakita ko yung perfume names, actually if you check the shop, if you check the page, no, napaka-interesting kasi talagang Pinoy na Pinoy, no. There's something mystic or interesting doon po sa mga perfume names nila. So I did a brief research, kumbaga, no. I did my own research dito po sa house, and turns out na yung house na to, this is a tribute, no, sa mythology, sa culture, sa timelessness, kumbaga, no, ng tales, ng stories ng Philippines, no. So very interesting yung kanila pong goal, no, yung kanilang naging inspiration, kumbaga, no, sa house, no. And katulad nung nakasulat sa ating title, ang nakuha ko po sa kanila ay Libulan, no. Before I tell you what Libulan is all about, no, pakita ko lang yung presentation. So minimalist na bottle, no, and yung orange and gold theme ng ano, no, ng yung sticker na nakalagay, yung basically ito po yung theme nila, no. Iba-iba lang po yung color scheme, no. Actually it kind of reminded me of a perfume I have, no. This is for presentation sake lang, no. So as you can see, no, parang medyo may similarity because of the clear bottle and yung sticker na orange, no. This is a niche perfume. This is called Ambre Rouge, no, from Parfum d'Empire, no. Niche perfume again, no. It reminded me lang a bit, no, of Libulan. So anyway, Libulan, no, sinearch ko siya. This is again, no, from mythology, and Libulan pala or Bulan is a moon god, no, ng mga Bicolano, or god of the night, no. So parang ang portrayal nito is about yung night and yung mystery ng night, parang ganun, no. And being a date night frag, parang ganun yung kanyang main course, no, na tinatahak niya. So anyway, Libulan, guys, this is inspired from MFK's Grand Soir, no. So Grand Soir, ito po ay kilala sa game, no, and ito po ang itatry nating i-compare maya-maya. So Grand Soir, no, of course we will give the spotlight first to the OG, the two main accords of Grand Soir. I have tried Grand Soir before, no, and para lang makasigurado, para po maging accurate, no, maging honest yung aking review, ako po'y kumuha ng decant, no. I have here a siguro 2 ml na decant to, no, ng Grand Soir ng MFK, no. So Grand Soir, yung dalawa pong main na accords ng Grand Soir is vanilla and amber, no. Actually mahirap po siyang i-imagine, no. Kasi just to give us an information, ng amber po, this is a fantasy note, or what do I mean by fantasy note? Hindi po talaga siya note, no. Ito po ay accord, no. When you say accord, no, bawat house, bawat perfume, when they use amber, may kanya-kanya po silang take, no. Of course, malaki po ang chance na magkakapareha po yan, pero the point is may iba-iba po silang take ng amber. So anyway, vanilla and amber yung prominent po dito. Pero of course, no, definitely there's more to the vanilla and the amber accords used dito. So we will be placing the notes here, no. Makikita nyo po may benzoin, so meron po yung balsamic effect, may lavender, of course, with the vanilla and amber, no. So para sa akin, yung experience ko sa Grand Soir, yung vanilla niya, it is balsamic, no, at yung kanya pong amber, it is boozy, no. Dahil po balsamic yung vanilla, tapos boozy yung amber, para siyang may bubble gummy effect, no. If you are familiar with that balsamic effect ng perfume, lalo when vanilla is balsamic, and may aromatic siya na floral, no. As you can see here, may lavender, no. Basically ganun yung Grand Soir, no. Ako personally, bukod sa Gentle Fluidity Gold, ang Grand Soir, sila po siguro yung dalawang pinakagusto ko sa house, no. Of course, may mga gusto pa akong matry, like the Discontinued Ciel de Gaume, no, yung mga yun, no. Pero kung ako po tatanungin ninyo, it would be Grand Soir and Gentle Fluidity Gold. Yun po yung mga pinakagusto ko sa house. So ayun, no, let's go na sa comparison without further ado. How is Libulan compared sa Grand Soir? So here's my honest take, no. Yun naman po yung pinangako ko kay Sir Rex, no, and of course the house, no. Ito yung honest take ko sa Libulan. Para po sa akin, meron po silang ibang tinatahak, no, na direction. Definitely within the same vein, pero iba po yung tinatahak nilang direction. One, ito pong Libulan, it is not as boozy and as bubble gummy sa vanilla and sa amber as compared po dito sa OG Grand Soir. Siguro this is more of a balance. Ito pong Libulan, this is more of a balance na amber, and mas prominent yung balance ng amber and florals, and mas prominent po yung vanilla. Lots of lavender din actually, no. So unlike po dito sa Grand Soir na you will feel the amber, no, you will feel the booziness, the heaviness ng amber. It is not a honeyed or sweet amber. Going back lang dun sa pinakita ko, no, ito kasing Parfum de Empire Ambre Rouge, no, this is more of a sweet honeyed amber. Ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina, no, na nagkakaiba-iba yung take ng houses sa amber. So anyway, para po sa akin, Libulan is more of the vanilla and the lavender, pero you will feel the amber, of course, no. Para po sa akin siguro, no, siguro ang ini-strike ng Old Gods grooming ko sa Libulan is a Grand Soir that is more wearable. I'm not saying na ito pong Grand Soir, the OG, is not wearable, no. Para po sa akin kasi, baka po mabigla ang mga nagsisimula pa lang sa game, or even po mga pumapasok pa lang sa niche, no, kasi this is not your typical amber ng designers, no. Kasi sa designers, usually ang amber, it is a supporting or a base note, parang ganun, no. It is not the forward note, kumbaga, no. Pero sa niche, no, marami po kayong may experience na amber forward, no, na accord, no, na perfume. Sa halimbawa, bigyan ko po yung example. This is Masque Milanos Tango, no, a really great amber forward na perfume. No, this is not your entrance sa amber, no. This is more heavy na amber, less of the sweetness, more powdery na amber, no. So ayan, no, ilan lang po yan sa mga example. Anyway, Libulan, siguro they're striking a more wearable amber na take, no. Kaya po again, no, vanillic, no, and floral. Actually yung pagiging vanillic niya, no, to a certain degree, I'm not saying na full blow, no, pero to a certain degree, para siyang nagiging lactonic pa nga, no. Parang try to imagine Bianco Latte, no, na ano, no, parang Grand Soir na inalisan mo ng lahat ng amber and florals, naging lactonic siya, no. Again, I'm not saying na close po si Libulan kay Bianco Latte, pero I'm just saying na yung vanilla niya parang papunta sa lactonic, no, na effect, no. So anyway, it comes a bit close naman for me, no. It comes a bit close, lalo po sa base, no. Nagiging mas noticeable na yung amber, no. Doon po sila medyo nagkakapareha, pero talagang bubblegummy pa rin, talagang boozy pa rin yung amber ni OG, ni Grand Soir. And Libulan for me, guys, is a Grand Soir pero with a twist, no. Para siyang you would get that it's Grand Soir, it's copying Grand Soir, pero may own twist siya, eh. Ako po honestly, no, I'm sorry po, Sir Rex, pero honestly po sa akin, no, I like Libulan better on its own, no, on its own. No, I'm not saying na it is not a good dupe, no, pero para sa akin, may tinatak silang magkaibang direction, no. And on its own, guys, no, ito naman masasabi ko sa Libulan. On its own, this is really good, no. Halimbawa, performance na lang, no, it's not projecting, no, katulad ni Grand Soir. Of course, Grand Soir, no, it will perform better pag malamig, no. Pero ito pong Libulan, para sa akin, hindi siya projecting talaga, no. May projection siya, no, average projection, pero that scent bubble, grabing scent bubble niya, no. Mag-spray ka sa damit, no, kahit ilang sprays lang, and of course sa skin. Ako po personally, naamoy ko pa siya till the next day, no. May mga times, no, kahit po busy yung day, no, may mga times na I'm trying to find kung ano ba yung naamoy ko sa kwarto ko. Yun pala itong Libulan, kasi in-spray ko siya sa damit ko nung the day before, no. So really good scent bubble, no, and na amoy na rin to ng isa kong friend and he really likes it, no. So on its own, guys, no, this is really good, no, performance wise, at siguro dito sila isa sa nagkakapareha. Pwede mong gamitin ito, at mas maganda talaga siyang gamitin sa malamig or sa formal occasions, no. Really good, no. And on its own, no, siguro it kind of reminded me ng isa po sa discontinued gem at pinakagusto ko siguro sa house ng Gold Tier, no. This is Gold Tier 2. No, I have a mini here. Makita nyo po yung juice, no. Napaka old school na kasi nito, no. This is well kept na juice, no. Napaka old na nitong juice nito. So anyway, yan po yung pinakagusto ko sa Gold Tier 2 before the Ultra Male and the Limal, no, and yung iba pang mga flankers ng Limal, no. Ito po yung pinakagusto ko sa house, no, kasi it's amber pero may coconut, no, and may boozy effect siya konti, no. Siguro kung tatanggalin mo yung coconut nito at babawasan mo yung amber effect, it would be Libulan, no. So ako personally, I would layer them both, no. So ayun, guys, for me again, no, this is just my personal, my honest take. I like this more on its own kasi this is really good on its own, eh. And again, no, if you are looking for Grand Soir dupe, pwede po ito. Pero again, no, ang sinasabi ko po, may twist to. You would get the Grand Soir direction, pero may twist siya. Kaya sinasabi ko kanina, parang may iba silang tinatahak na route, no. So ayun, guys, Libulan, I am excited na matry din yung iba from them, lalo po yung kanila pong mga own take, mga personal creation. And guys, no, I will put the details ng shop, yung pages po nila sa Facebook, and if you'll check, no, napaka-affordable for 50 ml, 490 lang po, basta below 500 I believe. And shout out po, maraming salamat po ulit sa Old Gods Grooming po. Shout out po kay Sir Rex Almodiel Bona, maraming salamat po, sir, for letting me try your creation. Again, no, this is really good, lalo on its own. So ayun lang guys, no, if you find this helpful, if you find this interesting, please do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo.